Hello, just going through some things in my car. My brand new car that I got for free because of my awesome uncle. So you got like all leather seats and everything. You know, back there, it's pretty cool. You know, automatic cassette and CD player, which is pretty cool. Damn stuff. Automatic doors, cruise control. It's the instruments, I guess. It's got all that stuff. Over here, shiny tires, shiny rims. It's got a lot of space in the back. Over here, these seats actually flip down. You know, they'll tumble forward and everything. They'll flip forward. This thing comes out and works as a table, kind of. There's the seats again. And there's the driver's side. It's a pretty nice car. I do say so myself. That's it. Awesome.